In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate lot size in Metatrader. We'll walk through the Metatrader 5 order ticket together, and I'll show you exactly where lot size fits in, why it matters, and how to calculate it so your risk stays controlled on every trade. Start by opening Metatrader 5. Make sure you're connected to your broker and that your account and quotes are updating. Having the correct account selected is important because lot size, margin, and pip value are all tied to that specific account and symbol. Open a new order. This brings up the order ticket where you'll set up everything for the trade. If you already have a chart open, the ticket often picks up that symbol automatically, but you can change it. Choose the symbol you want to trade. Different instruments have different contract sizes and pip or tick values, so lot size is not universal. A standard lot on many major forex pairs has a well-known value, but metals, indices, and crypto can use very different sizing. Always remember that your risk per pip depends on the instrument. Select the order type. For a market execution, you'll enter immediately at the current price. For a pending order, you'll set a price where you want the trade to trigger later. The calculation of lot size is the same. The difference is when the order becomes active. Now type in the volume. This is your lot size, and it determines how much you'll gain or lose per pip. A practical way to choose the volume is to decide your risk in currency first, then divide by the monetary value of your stop loss distance. In other words, define how much you're willing to lose if the stop is hit, and size the position so that loss matches your plan. Set your stop loss and take profit levels. Your stop loss should reflect your analysis, but it also needs to align with the calculation you just made. If you change the stop distance, your risk changes unless you also adjust the lot size. Click buy or sell according to your trade idea. Double check the symbol, order type, volume, and stop levels before you confirm. Here's a quick example to tie it all together. Suppose your account is 2,000 in your account currency and you want to risk 1% or 20. Your strategy calls for a 25 pip stop on a major forex pair where one standard lot typically moves about 10 per pip. Your position size is the risk divided by the stop's cash value, 20 divided by 25 times 10, which equals 0.08. On the order ticket, set volume to 0.08, place the stop 25 pips away, add your take profit if desired, then execute the order. That's how you calculate and enter the correct lot size in Metatrader 5 with confidence.